Just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Halo UV Light. So it is basically an online available lamp that is also available on Amazon. It will help you in various ways. It's a mold remover, it's home disinfection device as well, it dust mites remover, UV light sanitizer, ultraviolet sanitizer, and even it can help you to kill the mosquitoes nearby. Now let's find out what's actually behind those fancy promises. So based on the reviews, it has a 3.9 rating out of 5 stars, which is based on 573 ratings. So in my opinion, this is pretty much a good rating. As you can see, people are very much satisfied because it actually works the way they have claimed, and people are actually appreciating the way it is actually helping them to reassemble the bulbs available. Apart from that, few people were dissatisfied with the purchase. As you can see in this review, that it is an honest and unbiased try. We have bed bugs and I'm getting desperate, but this lamp didn't help it. So in conclusion, I would say this lamp could actually meet the rest of the features requirement that they have mentioned, but it is actually not a very good option for a bug killer. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.